Cancer, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for May 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot and also use some oracle decks that I have here. Cancerians, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Cancerians. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May 2022, we have the Three of Pentacles. You were somebody who was quite creative. Perhaps you were also working with your hands on a creative project or venture. I think this was a time when you needed to polish your skills. Maybe Cancerians, there were some minor gains. And you would have also benefited if you had collaborated with others. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that May is going to pose for Cancerians worldwide is the Knight of Cups here. I think you should avoid unnecessary arguments. Perhaps, because of the Cups energy, you're going to be quite emotional. So there's going to be tension on account of the same. Maybe you feel that there's always someone who's trying to assert himself, or that your views are disregarded within the home front. I think you need to clarify as well. Sometimes, Cancerians, we do our utmost for our family members, but they fail to see the same. Other than that, I also believe that you'll be a bit overworked. I think you should show some urgency in your step. Maybe colleagues believe that you're unfocused. You're a bit distracted this month. Influences for this month, we have the Eight of Pentacles. Again, this lady also seems to be busy with her hands. She's doing something very creative. Perhaps you're going to be kept busy on account of paperwork or technical work. Maybe you're also somebody who's arranging data. I think your creative skills are going to be esteemed, or you're going to bag those rewards on account of your work. The key, Cancerians, this month is to work on your interpersonal skills. Maybe you also need to collaborate with others. Maybe you also need to be patient. You have to bide your time for opportunities to come in. Perhaps this month, Cancerians, the stress is also going to be on your home. You want to declutter your living space. Maybe there are going to be home improvements. The first 10 days of May, we have the Justice card. Karma is at play here. You will definitely be amply rewarded if you have been good towards others. Incidentally, we did clarify the Justice card, and we do have the Six of Swords in your reading. So definitely you will have to be up and about. Last minute changes could also be there. Sometimes, you believe that there's no end in sight, but then the universe could conspire and everything will fall in place. Basically, Cancerians, you should grab the opportunities. Technical work or paperwork is going to increase. Maybe many of you are also dealing with officials at this time. Again, because of the change in your schedule, you could be a bit temperamental. Your responsibilities could also increase. Maybe your family member is indisposed and you need to be the caregiver, so you're going to be a bit rattled on account of the same. I think, Cancerians, you should also do some energy healing work, or you should do spiritual cleansing at this time. The next 10 days, that is towards 11 to 20th May, we have the Ace of Cups. There are going to be new beginnings in your life, but then you should also watch your tongue. Sometimes we can give something away and this could be detrimental to our prospects, whether at work or in personal matters. Maybe for some of you, I'm also picking up that financial issues could create discord in your relationship. Maybe your plans could also go for a toss. Maybe there's going to be cancellation of the scheduled work, so that means that there's going to be pending work. Again, because of the excess activity or because of the work pressure, I think there could be errors. Perhaps you should also start early, or you should work late into the night. I think while dealing with clients also, you have to be a bit open-handed. Maybe you need to make allowances for them. Maybe deals will be confirmed if you have a compromise approach. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you could be a bit annoyed on account of tardy workers. They are unprofessional in their attitude. Maybe they expect the schedules to be altered, or they want you to be more flexible. I think you're somebody who is very put out because you have to remind your workers. Other than that, I think this time financial transactions will also keep you busy. The final days of May, we have the Ten of Swords, another swords in your reading. So definitely Cancerians, your responsibilities could weigh you down. Maybe you feel helpless. You should also be careful of your decisions because your family members could question your decisions. Maybe they are very baffled. Everything in life is cyclic. Even if there are going to be those disappointments, you should understand that this is also going to pave the way for a brighter future. We learn from our mistakes, Cancerians. There's always light at the end of the tunnel, so to speak. With respect to your love life, Cancerians, I have this card. Flirt. I think the universe is asking you to be more flirtatious. I definitely foresee that you're going to benefit on account of the opposite sex. Maybe they have love on their mind, or they think they have a chance with you when it comes to a romantic connection. But I think Cancerians, you should also not string anyone along in case you're disinterested. Singles can definitely expect marriage proposals. Maybe you should be more open to the idea of romance. You should wear your heart on your sleeve, or you should compromise a bit. Your parents could also be concerned about your single status. Maybe they expect you to have a look at matrimonial sites or dating sites to improve your prospects. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you're insecure about this relationship. Maybe you believe that this person has someone else on his mind. Maybe you want to distance yourself from this relationship because we have this card, farewell, but I am no good at goodbyes. I think you want to move away from a connection which is not taking you anywhere, or where you are making no headway, but then you cannot release yourself from this connection as well. Sometimes, we want to release these balloons in the air, but then we are in two minds. So this is the same thing which is happening in your life. You are going to be undecided about the future of a connection. Maybe Cancerians, in case you're already romancing, you desire commitment from your person, or you want to make this relationship more public. You want to discuss it with your parents, but then your partner could pour water on these plans. Maybe he's not ready yet. Nevertheless, I think romancing Cancerians, your person is also going to be bogged down on account of work. Maybe you're also going to miss him because conversations could be few and far between. Even if the universe is asking you to be more flirtatious, you have to keep in mind that your person could be quite busy. In case yours is an on again, off again relationship, there's a huge chance that you could reach out to this person. Maybe you believe that you cannot take the distance, or because of this card, farewell, I'm no good at goodbyes, you're reaching out to him because you want this relationship to blossom once again. I think the stars are aligned in such a way that you could also cross paths with your former lover this month. Perhaps Cancerians, you also have travel on your mind. You want to travel to be with your person. In case you're already married, I think you should de-stress by watching movies, or you should make that trip. Maybe you feel that your spouse is inattentive. I think you should acknowledge each other's presence in your life. Some of you could also be dealing with a person who wants everybody under his thumb. This could make you a bit stressed out as well. Even those of you who are in a third party situation, I think you can expect romantic conversations with your person. Perhaps your person is also going to unburden his soul. He could discuss an unhappy event in his life. That is why he's bonding with you emotionally. The universe is also asking you to focus on work because we have this card 888 which talks about new opportunities and abundance which is coming into your way very soon. We did have the 8 of Pentacles in your reading, so you need to bide your time and be patient. Another message here is the Orbs of Light, which talks about the spirit realm. I think you're going to get messages. Maybe you're also going to have dreams with respect to your life this month, so you should pay attention to them. Maybe some of you are also going to see these orbs. These orbs could be in different colors. It could be violet, which is talking about spiritual awakening, or which could be red in color, which is talking about your need to focus on not getting annoyed, or you need to focus on the material world as well. All in all, Cancerians, this May you need to be prepared for the changes which are going to occur in your life. You need to have a very flexible mindset and approach, even if your responsibilities are increasing, or even if you believe that your boss is saddling you with excess work. I hope Cancerians you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.